Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Yesterday, after closing my long-term long position from December in profits, I'm currently out of any position. While scanning lower time frames for my next entry, I noticed the 8-minute and 15-minute charts would only align for an entry if we moved above 106,000. Right now, only the 30-minute time frame and above are signaling potential entries. For those, we might need to see a slight sell-off, perhaps to levels around 102,000, to trigger a setup. Without this, I would have to wait or take a high-risk manual trade. For example, today's dip to 102,200 could have yielded a 1.7% gain to the current price of 104,000. With 10 times leverage, that would be a 17.4% return. Looking at higher time frames, I see bearish indicators. The 4-hour to 6-hour charts all have red dots on the wave trend indicator. The 12-hour chart appears to be topping and might print a red dot soon. Once that happens, I'll adapt my strategy accordingly. No one has a crystal ball, so it's all about planning and reacting. The 1-week liquidation heat map shows a significant cluster of leverage at 95,200. This level acts as a magnet but is far below 100,000, so I consider it unlikely to hit. On the upside, targets are heating up between 105,800 and 108,700. If we break 108,000, Bitcoin could rally to 125,000, entering full price discovery. Weekends are known for low volatility and no exchange-traded fund inflows. It's usually a quieter time for price action. Switching gears to the new coin launch on Solana, this highly speculative meme coin surged from $0 to $32, reaching a market capitalization of over $5 billion. The team allegedly holds 85% of the supply, and apparently the liquidity is coming from other meme coin, which lost in value today because of it. I was too late to long and too early to short. Currently, the coin trades around $26.50, with no clear bottom in sight. My long wave strategy shows it would have exited at $30.30 on the 15-minute chart. If it tests the 50 exponential moving average on this time frame, that would bring the price to around $17, representing a drawdown of 35%. On the Meteora chart on Dex Screener, $24 is a key horizontal level, acting as both resistance and support. If you're still interested in shorting or longing it, I'd recommend BingX, which offers a new futures listing trade to win event. New users can trade $1 and earn lucky draw entries to win bonuses, trial funds, or even an iPhone 16 Pro. Note that this event is for new futures users only, and certain rules apply, such as avoiding unfair activities. Full details can be found on their website. Link is in the pinned comment below. For now, I'm staying on the sidelines and observing like a hawk from above. Join our Discord to get real-time trading insights, entries, and exits. If you found value in this video, like it, subscribe, and click the bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.